Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or insert record in specific column in table in Oracle database. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using online compiler. So by using this query, we are going to create table, and by using this queries, we are going to add data in table. Now you see we have 3 column, and then you see we have 3 values, but now we are going to insert value in specific column like employee ID or name. We don't add any value in department. Now we are going to add query. Now paste. Now you see insert into employee, and then you see column name, employee ID, name, both are same, and then you see values, and then you see 3, and then you see name. 3 and name will add in employee ID and name, but we don't add it any value for department. You will find this query in video description or in comment section, so you can add your table name, column name and values, and then click on run to check, and then you see employee ID, name, department. You see 1, 2, 3, you see name, but you don't see department name for 3 record only. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.